So earlier today, I ran just a quick little mile just to keep some activation going. Um, it's nothing crazy. I just wanted to talk about the muscle fibers that go along with the muscle fibers in our bodies, basically, and how we have um, three different types. We have type 2 muscle fibers, type 2A muscle fibers, and type 1 muscle fibers. Type 2 muscle fibers are going to be our fatigue prone muscle fibers. They're going to be the ones that we always start with when we start working out, when we start any type of movement. They're going to be heavily fatigue prone. It's going to be our PCR and our glycolysis bioenergetic system that we'll be using. Um, During my 1 mile run, that was mainly the system that I was in, seeing as it was only about an 8-minute mile, making it a perfect time fitting for that glycolysis stage. However, if I were to go longer distance, let's say a 10K or even a marathon, however many miles, the longer we go, our body would eventually then try and make its way to type 1 muscle fibers, which are going to be our slow twitch muscle fibers. Those are going to be a lot more red. We're going to have a lot more blood in those muscle fibers. It's going to be mainly your oxidative phosphorylation system, which is going to be Krebs cycle and etc. It's going to be for aerobics, which is why we're trying to save energy. We're going to use that oxygen. We're going to try and delay fatigue. So that's why if we're running a longer distance, we're going to be using those type 1 muscle fibers more than those type 2. Our body always tries to result back to those type 1 muscle fibers, but it's impossible to escape it because once we start, we're going to need those type 2 muscle fibers. Type 2A muscle fibers are going to be those in the middle or those in the middle. It's going to be your more pinkish muscle fibers because there's some blood, some oxygen, some and also some not at all. So those are going to be mainly your what's it called? Yeah, you're in the middle muscle fibers.